Okay, let's do a first impression. When I got this out of the box, it came in the plastic bag. This is for the HIC Kitchen Stainless Steel Crinkle Cut Wave Slicer. The package we are zip tied in. Let's do that real quick. Technically wash your utensils and any cooking utensils that you buy before you use them. I'm just gonna do this as a demo. Let's see how this works real quick. Well, they're crinkle linen. Looks pretty good, yeah. Very sharp. Get your fingers out of there. So, bought this because, yeah, I got sick of the boring slices of my vegetables. Trying to eat more healthier, make your food look pretty, right? You can make some French fries, all kinds of things. Waffle fries. I'm not sure about those. I'll have to play around with those. Anyway, nice product. Great value for your money. I chose this one because of that fact. It seemed like a good quality in the picture. It feels quality. It's a little flimsy, but I mean, for the price, not bad. I like it. Thanks. Bye.